Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am discussing about the concept of factory method design pattern. Factory method design pattern is a design pattern which falls under the creational design pattern. It's a fall under a creation design pattern category where we create an object or any type of object in this factory. Factory is just a simple like a factory where we create a thousand of hundred of thousand of objects simultaneously and producing these objects. It's just like a real-time factory. For example, if we have ice cream factory and we have electronics laptop factory, we have a popcorn factory. This factory create a millions of product in a day and produce million of product in a day and produce. This is a factory. So same concept as in a programming world, we have a factory where we create a thousand of multiple objects. Whenever we need an object, our factory will create an object without exposing the logic. It means we cannot show how object will create and how the complex logics behind this object to create this object. We hide this complexity. We only return the object to the client. We does not show the complexity or what type of logics we are used in this while creating of an object. We does not expose this. So in a factory design pattern is a design pattern which fall under creation design pattern, and we create a multiple objects and return to the client without exposing their logics. So let's start from the example. We use the credit card example where we have a credit card. uh, we have three type of credit card: money back credit card, titanium and platinum. And each credit card have their factory, and each money bank credit card factory will create thousand or multiple thousand of credit card. um, so let's start. We have an abstract credit card interface which will define the type of credit card. What the definition of credit card? Our credit card have a card type, what type of card, credit limit, what limit of credit, and annual charges, what annual charges. And then we have a money back credit card. These credit cards set the values. And then we have a titanium credit card. These we set the values of titanium credit card. And then we have a platinum credit card. We set the values of this platinum credit card, credit limit, annual charges. And this is a 3 hour credit card. And then now let's have to start an card factory. We have an abstract class card factory which have a method get credit card. It means we get the credit card object from this method, and we create an first money bank back credit factory, which money back credit factory which return the money back credit card object. Every time we need to credit card, we call the money back credit card factory. Our factory will return the new object of money back credit card. This is a money back credit card. And then we have a titanium factory, and this our object will return the titanium credit card object. This factory return the titanium credit card object. And then we have a platinum factory, and this platinum factory return the platinum credit card object. And we have a three credit card, three type of credit card. Each credit card have one factory, and we have a three credit card factory. And now let's we have a start and implementation. This is our implementation. What type of object we need? We first need titanium object. This condition will execute, and this titanium factory object will create. And then titanium factory object will call the method of get credit card, and this credit card will return to the credit card. And we have a credit card. This I will start from the example. So if I want money back credit card, then our factory will create a money back credit card. This is our limit. So if I want titanium, this is our titanium credit card factory will return the titanium credit card. So this is our credit card factory example. where we create a thousand of objects without exposing their logic. We just simple call the factory dot get credit card, which call create our new platinum credit card objects. So this is a simple and easy concept of credit card factory design pattern in C#. I hope you will understand this. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video. Thanks.